Hey guys, welcome back to Thunderdome Homestead. Got a little treat for you today. So, anyone that's been in the preparedness space for a certain amount of time has heard of reverse osmosis. It's a type of water filtration that takes pretty much everything out of the water. And typically, most people, when they think of reverse osmosis, they think of an under the sink system. Well, we didn't have any space under our sink, and maybe you don't either, so maybe this will be helpful for you. This is a countertop reverse osmosis system, and it's the Blue View something. I'll put a link in the description. Anyhow, this thing is pretty sweet. So you put water back here. There's like a reservoir tank. And then here you have a glass pitcher that the water goes into. Your filter is right in here, and the filters to replace them are about $70. But you hit this, so you see here the quantity of how much goes in it. So you can either do a half thing or a full thing. This right here is the shelf life, or the life of the filter. So whenever, as it goes down, it's kind of like a battery, how much life is left in your filter. And this is parts per million, how many total dissolved solids are in the water that's going through it. And then you have flush feature, which you only really have to do whenever you change the filter out. But if I hit this button, it'll start filtering water. Let's see here. Give it a second. And it takes a little while, which is why I like to typically what I do is I'll fill a pitcher and have water on standby and just do it every once in a while. That way you always have water on hand. But since Berkey is having a lot of issues right now, this may be a helpful option for you. So anyhow, hopefully you guys got something out of this. If you have any questions, start down in the comments. You know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.